Here we go again. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
What's up?
Another one?
You got it.
What is this?
This is...
Definitely no caddy.
Yeah, no, it's not.
What'd you do? You got something else?
I sure did. This is a 1969 Volvo 142S.
Damn.
It's got the twin SU carburetors. They look good, but don't work good.
Literally don't.
Literally, they really don't.
Yeah, these have
I'm curious. I'm gonna try to get them working again.
These,
if not,
these carburetors were terrible because they have a tendency of getting stuck, dried up. They change their mood with the weather. You know, stuff like that.
Springtime comes around, it's like, it's warmer out. Yeah. Forget it.
Wonderful car. These things were crazy reliable.
Yes.
Okay. Sucked in the snow. I could just never figure it out.
Volvo, a Swedish car.
Years ago used to make, it's a cold, snowy region, and they made rear-wheel drive cars. They were horrible in the snow.
They really are.
Tough as
I was thinking of putting a Volvo 240 engine in it. It's more reliable.
Yeah.
But when I went to go look at this car, it's so solid, it's ridiculous.
This literally,
it's so original, and I'm not doing any of that.
Have any rust?
No, it's got two little spots. Come here. It's literally got this rust here, and it's got this rust here.
That's nothing.
And this is the bad side. No, and this is the bad side. The other side has it in the same spots.
Nice. See the taillights on this? They look like footprints.
A little baby's footprint.
Like an Eskimo shoe kind of footprint. Not weird.
Now I am missing, that I just noticed. I'm missing a mud flap on this side. But so you got 3 mud flaps. That one says Volvo on it.
So what are you gonna do with it? What are you doing on it right now?
Right now, I'm pulling the starter out.
Oh really?
It's all burnt out.
You try to jump it?
I jumped it. It clicks, and if I jump the 2 wires to make them work together, it just spins. It doesn't. The solenoid doesn't go onto the flywheel and turn it. It doesn't. It's fried.
Solenoid.
I got one coming tomorrow morning, so I'm taking this out because they need a core. So there's no keys in the car, which kind of sucks.
Ignition. Hey, it's old. Maybe somebody lost them.
Right. Now this car.
Either that or they ate them. I don't know. What do you mean? Maybe somebody lost them. Of course they lost them. Go ahead.
Now this car did come with extra parts, which is good. Eventually, I'm putting the stock wheels back on it. This car came with an extra grill.
Oh, look at that! You got a horn button, I think, in it.
And a horn button.
And you got some. You got a couple pieces of the glass, the window glass. You got some rubber. What's this thing?
I got
another rubber
cap.
A license plate light. Right here. What else you got? A whole bunch of rubber. Cool.
And then.
A lot of rubber.
This car is actually. He gave me like a card that came from the factory that said Volvo on it. That comes from the factory when you buy the car.
It's for service.
For service.
You give them the card, they know your name.
Yeah. Now this car is actually pretty unusual because this is the handbrake.
It's not unusual. All these Volvos had that handbrake. Oh, you mean compared to like regular
cars? Now the smell in this car is mixing with lemon and
mouse piss and lemon.
Do you know why I'm saying lemon?
I sprayed it before.
You
did too? Holy shit.
We sprayed AmSoil lemon spray, interior spray. Look, this. Where did it go?
It is.
Smell it, cameraman.
Interior detail lemon. It smells like cake.
What?
Listen, take the starter out and get this mechanical pipe out of here. I want to go home. Let's go.
Then go home. I'll drive this home when I'm done.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Let's get this thing out of here. Taking over to where?
What Volvo 142